Hello, this is Rosie Variety TV saying good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. We are saying thank you to you all, my old subscriber, my new subscribers, and those about to. God bless you all. Our topic today is I no do again. I refuse. I no do again. I refuse. I change my mind. I don't want. I have changed my mind. I don't want. What is this? Before go there, don't fail to like, subscribe, share, and comment. After going through this video, anything you see, your reaction, put it on our common box. We see it. Touch that notification button so that when another video is coming, you will be the first person to catch it. God bless you all. We are back. Yes, the topic says, I don't want you again. How or what do we mean? I had after the previous video I made, I had a call that said I should let people understand these things so that new generation that are coming today are coming up, they will not fall victim. That's why we are sending this message with God's grace and God's strength. There was a lady and a man, they were going out together, proposing. They call it fiancé. At the ending, this woman and the man, they now decided to get married. And they went to do traditional wedding. And this woman had a daughter. She did not tell this man that she had a daughter. And when they got there, the man now discovered that this woman had a daughter. And the man now said, because of this, and you did not tell me, I'm not going to marry you again. And I don't want again. I don't do again. Then that was all. The woman left on her own, the man on his own. And this man went and get married to another person. There's one thing I want to say here. A good man will love you unconditional. What do I mean? A man will value you the way you are. The same thing apply to that woman. A woman will value you the way you are. What am I trying to say? If really you love this man and you know that this man loves you, you could have told him. Suppose I told him that, look, oh, my husband or my husband to be, my fiancé, I have a daughter. 12 years old, 5 years old, 10 years old, it doesn't matter. If the man really loves you, he will accept you with that son or with that daughter. If this woman really loves you, she will accept you with that daughter. Although it is not easy to choose a wife in marriage. What do I mean? A lot of people who have made the same mistake choosing a husband or a wife. That is why you're supposed to tell the man, that is why you're supposed to tell the woman that I have this, I have that. You see the difference? Yes. So that you know the decision that the man will take right away or the decision the woman will take right away. And at last, to avoid putting another woman into problem. Imagine now, he told you that he don't want you again. Later now, he got married to another woman. And the woman now enter in the woman is already in the house. You again, he want to bring you back again. He's not marrying you now, but you are coming into the house and you enter there, you saw another woman there. You didn't use your brain to say, what am I coming here to do? What am I doing here? You see the problem? Problem started. The woman is watching you people. You come there and sleep, and you saw your wife with a daughter or with a son there. You didn't even care. This thing is bad. Let's be sincere with ourselves. You want to put this woman into shock, to make her feel lonely. She'll be feeling bad. Why? If not because they said love is kind, love is patient. If not, how will you show that it's not because of the woman is patient? How will you show that this woman could have able to come out from that problem? Let us think. Let us think. If not because this woman is completely humble and gentle, how will we think that this woman could have come out into that problem? If not because God is on her side, and other people started telling you that what you are doing is bad, and she now open up because the man self that called himself a man, he started reporting the wife that the wife is a bad person, making phone call, telling them that my wife does not respect me. You are not respecting your wife. You are the one complaining. She is the one that's supposed to complain. You are the one complaining. What are we talking about? So let us help one another. We are not helping ourselves. Stop using your hand to cause what you know it will kill you tomorrow. Tomorrow you are the one that will go and tell people that your wife is not good, whereas you are the one that's not good. Let us be sincere. Because if I love you, no matter anything, I will love you the way you are. You self supposed to love me the way I am. Let us stop pretending to avoid trouble, to avoid problem, putting people into problem. Yeah? I'm begging all of us, men, on ourselves, more than they drink water, put up for table. More than ourselves they drink, because like you, if it's a woman now, woman will get married and another man will be coming inside. Can you take it? You say more than they think now. All this is not good. Eh? The thing is not good. It's paining me. It's not good. Let's not do what we know that somebody cannot do to us to another person. It's not good now. I beg my brothers, my sisters, maybe they try. If you want marry or you dey friend somebody, you know say you want marry this man, talk out your heart, talk out your mind. Tell am wetin you know say tomorrow if you hear am, say no go happy. Tell am that beginning. So that tomorrow when he hear, say, see wetin happen, or when the woman hear, or when the man hear, they go know say this thing we don talk am out before. Because everybody can feel do mistake. Oh, nobody wey no dey do mistake. If they no dey do mistake no go dey. And nobody dey above mistake. That is why we need to say all these things. That's why they use this media to tell all of us. Make we self dey mind ourselves how we do things to other people. Because the thing no dey easy. For when you don put woman for house, you dey see another woman dey enter, you go even leave her own food, you go dey take the other foreign one. Parasite. You know wetin parasite mean? You go dey where you're not supposed to dey, na be parasite. I talk am for the other video too. You know good. Abeg. Wetin you know say you do to me, or they will do to you, you no like am, no do am to me. Oh. You see am? Abeg, more na dey try. God bless you all.